Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to register and download Wondershare Filmora for free. So here is the link I've given in the description box. So just open it, then download it. So here you can see the download has started. I already downloaded this file, so I'm not going to download it again. So there's just simple process of installing. Here you can see it's on download section. So I already installed it, so I'm not going to do that again. So here I'm opening the Wondershare Filmora. So here you have to choose 16:9 and full feature mode. It takes 10 to 20 seconds to open. So here is the interface. Now let me show you how you export this. Here I am taking a video. So I'm going to merge a video and image. Here I take it this and this. Now time to export. You can change the resolution of video. And from here you can change the format, like you want MP4, MP3. Now export. While exporting there will be a registration, so I have given this in the description box already, the email and code. You have to just paste it, and remember, disconnect it from internet because it will lead you to a new web page. Then register. Here you can see Filmora has registered. So here we done. And here it start converting. So from this you can easily convert your video without watermark. Thank you for watching.